Hi everyone, so I am back with a design team project for ARTYmaze, and this is using her new vintage wallpaper kit, and I have used other things as well, but that was the main papers. I've also used a Mother's Love, which is these portrait style instant photos, kind of like Polaroids, but obviously she can't call them Polaroids because it's copyright. But anyway, so this journal here measures 9 1/4, so it's a long, tall, skinny one. 9 1/4 by 4 1/4. It has one signature, 40 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So these excuse me, this is actually a tag. I done a video, let's make video, making 6 of these tags, and they're all used throughout the journal. If you want to watch that, I will put it on the screen at the end of the video. So this is one of the wallpapers. There's actually quite a lot in that kit. You get them landscape and you get them portrait style, so obviously I've used the portrait style. Here we've got some lace trim. You can see I've done some stitching on there, and like I said, if you want to see how I done these, then the be on the screen at the end. So we've got eyelets and this ribbon as a closure, and then I used some of my paper beads. Again, I'll put that on the screen at the end of the video as well. Excuse me. I've had both radiators on in here today because it's really warm. I mean, it's really cold. It's really warm now, and now I'm talking, it's kind of drying my mouth out. So I've added other little beads on here as well, and some like the little kind of rondelle beads, and these little beads are little roses. So that's on there. There's 2 parts to this. The second part isn't out yet. I've left that. I think that's going to be up for, that's scheduled to go live tomorrow at some point. So yeah, I changed some of these. So these were made from book pages, I think. So enough about the dangles. So let's go inside. So on the inside cover is just, this is brown packaging, and what I'm using at the moment is all that 12 by 12 designer cardstock that I don't like. I'm using that as my base to make my journals, so I'm covering them completely. As you can see, I've used the digital here, and then I've used this brown packaging on the inside as well. So this is one of the pages from ARTYmaze's new kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the blue. So obviously I've kind of went with the blue theme throughout, as you can see. So I just turned that up to make the pocket. I'm just checking I'm in frame here. I am. And then here we've got another little instant photo there. This is actually from MyPorchPrints, I think. This is from ARTYmaze, and this is her Build a Cluster tag kit, and it's the second one. And this is some French ephemera from ARTYmaze as well, and that just goes in the back there. This is from Bohemian Crafting. This is from the wallpaper kit from ARTYmaze as well. This is one of the tags that I made, and like I said, if you go and watch the video, you see how I made them, and that goes in there like so. This is from Tailor-Made Journals. Here we've got a lovely wallpaper pocket, which is from ARTYmaze's kit. This is from the Build a Cluster tag kit. This is from MyPorchPrints, and this is ARTYmaze, a French ephemera. And we have some lace trim here, and some coffee dyed papers to journal on. Then we've got a tuck here. I actually love that wallpaper. It's really pretty. I love blue. I don't know why. I never used to like blue and greens, and now I absolutely adore them. So this is some more. This is ledger paper from Tailor-Made Journals, and then another one of the tags that I made. Again, you can go watch that video. And as you can see, I used this paper like throughout quite a bit for tabs, and tabs for the journal cards that I made as well, or the tags, whatever you want to call them. and tailor-made journals, just a little instant photo on there with some of that blue around the edge, and then the background there is the builder cluster tag kit. This is from ARTYmaze's new kit. Again, we've got a pocket here, and we have some ledger, which is from tailor-made journals, so that goes in there. Then we have a tag from Builder Cluster Tag Kit 2, little postcard there from MyPorchPrints, and this is ARTYmaze from the little instant photos. Some lace trim on here, which I think I've stuck it there. There we go. Some lace trim. And if anyone is interested, like here in the UK, that is where I got that. They do eBay and they do Etsy as well. So if you want to stop and have a look, you can find them on eBay or Etsy. Okay. Centre of the signature, the bead dangle things. Yeah, I changed the once my part one of the bead paper beads was just like making them, and then I went in with paints and all sorts of different things to change some of them. I didn't change all of them. So like I said, that video will be up tomorrow or early hours of tomorrow morning, I think. A French ephemera from ARTYmaze. Again, this is ARTYmaze Builder Cluster Tag Kit. Another little portrait there, and them little portraits are called A Mother's Love, which is appropriate because here in the UK we have Mother's Day this month of March. I know in the US you have Mother's Day at a different time. You don't have it in March like we do. So French ephemera here. Little flip out there. Oops, no, yep, getting all muddled up now. That goes there, and again we've got another tag. Watch the video on how I made them. Another big pockets there, another tag here, some more French ephemera. ARTYmaze has got 2 French ephemera kits, so I can't remember which ones are from which. This is just a little bit of fabric on here, and I done 3 staples. And on the backs, I forgot to show you that actually, on the backs of some of these tags, the paper is from Bohemian Crafting, so that goes in there. And then we have some more lace trim here, got another little pocket there, and a tab here. That's from MyPorchPrints. This is ARTYmaze, and that's ARTYmaze as well. Little flip out here. Some more French ephemera. And that's the digital, obviously. So again, you can find that on ARTYmaze's Etsy store. And then here again, another tag. These were really quick and easy, and you don't actually need a lot to make them. You know, I used Edith Holden book pages, a couple of digitals, the photos, little scrap pieces, and these little number labels. Postcard there, a little instant photo tag from ARTYmaze, and my fingers don't want to work. And again, this is from ARTYmaze. No, is it? I don't know. Yes, it is. That's ARTYmaze French ephemera. It's because I used a few bits from tailor-made journals as well in here, getting a bit muddled up. And that all goes in there like so. And that is the back. So that is the journal. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop. I will link the new kit below as well, which is the vintage wallpaper. And I meant to say that the button here and this little fabric actually came as a freebie with my latest purchase from these guys. I've actually got a couple of their cards because I've used them on eBay and I've used them on Etsy, and they're the same price. But yeah, there we go. Little shout out for them. Okay, so there we have it. Hope you like it. be nice if you gave me the thumbs up, be nice if you left me a comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.